Okay, now the new students, actually today we are supposed to be doing the Headstart to P6 science, talking about recognizing key points and understanding diagrams. But because we have not completed the first two sessions of the toy making, okay, what we did last two sessions, okay, we actually learned how to make science toys and explaining how the toy works using science concepts. Okay, so we were not finished for last week's presentation. So some of the students here already presented and then they have been given their gift. Okay, I think it should be on the way, Jakai. If you still don't receive it next week, let me know. I will send another one. All right, so let's say you don't receive it, let me know. Okay, let's see. All right, we still have a few people who needs to present. Okay, let's see. Who are these people? We need to have Yunshen, Gordon, Dan, as well as Kendrick, right? Kendrick, I saw your video you sent to me. Very good. Okay, so who will be going first? Can we get Yunshen? Yunshen, you ready? Don't be scared. Don't be scared, okay? So for
Can
the
I share
students,
screen?
yeah, you may. For the students who are new, you will probably be wondering, what is this toy making about? All right, okay, Gordon is here. Let me admit him first, okay? So what the students did is they created some toys using materials they can find from home. If necessary, then they can order from Shopee. But I discourage the spending of too much money. Preferably, you can use items that can be recycled from home. And we have done things like, the electric maze. All right, they have also made many different types of toys. Jokai actually made this one, which is the paddling boat, right? Yeah, very good. So they took videos and they will be given this thing, okay, as their little prize. All right, this is actually the 88 Tuition Pop It. Okay, very not too small, not too big also. Okay, if this is my palm, this is the size of the Pop It. Yeah, so they have completed. So for those of you who are new, you take a look at their presentation. Okay, just a couple more, and then we will start today's lesson. Okay, Yunshen, you can start now. Yunshen, your toy is actually the house with 4 rooms. Correct? Yeah. Okay, can everybody see her screen? Can, right? Give a thumbs up. I can see, so I'll give her a thumbs up. All right.
Okay, so today I want to present about my project. It's a house consisting of 4 rooms. So this is how the house looks like.
Wow, this is the toilet. This is bedroom. Another bedroom. And then there's a kitchen here. Oh, that's not bedroom. That is the kitchen, is it? The living space.
That's a living room.
I see. Okay.
Okay,
Nice.
so basically about the project is that it's a house consisting of 4 rooms, and there is a light bulb in each room which is arranged in a parallel circuit. Each bulb works individually with 4 switches. So these are the 3 important things to take note of. So it's to make sure that all bulbs, switches, and batteries are working properly, and all contacts must be properly connected. So the science behind this project is that in a parallel circuit, each component, in this case the light bulbs, is connected to the same voltage source but has its own separate branch. This means that the current can flow through each bulb independently. The science behind this arrangement is that when the circuit is closed and the voltage source is connected, the electrons flow from the source through the wires and into each bulb in a parallel circuit. The voltage across each bulb remains the same while the current divides among the branches. Overall, the science behind a house project consisting of 4 light bulbs arranged in a parallel circuit involves the independent flow of current through each bulb, ensuring consistent brightness and the ability for individual bulbs to function independently.
Okay, so this is like your little dollhouse, yeah?
Yeah, so the advantages of arranging them in a parallel circuit is that by arranging them in the 4 light bulbs in a parallel circuit, several advantages can be observed. Firstly, if one bulb were to burn out or be removed, the other bulbs would continue to function. Secondly, each bulb receives the same voltage, ensuring that they all emit light with similar brightness. And lastly, the total resistance in a parallel circuit is lower compared to a series circuit, allowing for a higher total current to flow through the circuit. Thanks for listening to my presentation.
Okay, good job there. Now I know the making of your toy. It was a very huge, major project. All right. So would you like to show us roughly the dimension? Because when you took the video, we don't know how big or small it is, you know. Okay, maybe you want to lift it up. Just lift it up for us to see how big it is. Yeah, it is huge, you know, people. I saw her video because in the midst of making, she did consult me. Yeah, she did consult me for, you know, certain opinion, and then to get queries also lah, to answer her queries. Yeah, Matthias, you have a question?
Every single P5 in my school had to do that for science project, like make a house just like hers.
Wow, my goodness. So you built your own house as well. It's really a model, is it? With cardboard separating the few rooms. But Yunshen did extra, you know. She even put in the cupboard, the beds, etc. Do y'all see that? Yeah, I thought that was wonderful. I mean, if it's me, I think I'll just draw something and paste it there, pretend that that's the bed. But hers is like really a 3D thing. See how big it is? Okay. Right. This is very, very good effort. I know it was a large scale project. That's why she needed time to actually do this. Thank you so much, Yunshen. So I think it's about this big, maybe half a meter at least, or slightly more. It could be lah. Okay, thank you so much, Yunshen. So hers is about, you know, creating a doll house. Okay, maybe it's a Barbie doll. It has got 4 rooms to mingle, to move into. One of it is a kitchen. So she did say that she connected the bulbs in parallel. Now, when you learn about the series and parallel circuit under electricity, you wouldn't know how tedious it will be, right? To do that kind of lighting for the various rooms, right or not, Yunshen? But when you were building it, you felt the challenge, did you? Yeah. Yeah, you want to share some of the
Like, it looked so easy when I did it. Like, I did a scratch on the fat thing, the electric current thing. Then, like, when I did it, like right now on the spot, like there's like a few weeks ago, then like it was so hard. Then like it took me like a number of hours to do it.
Exactly. And after making the 4 rooms, the connection of the wires all matter as well, right?
Yeah, and then like yes, today in the morning I went to check on it, and like the bathroom one wasn't really working well because like it didn't really connect properly, so I had to connect it again.
Yeah, so she will understand how difficult it is. Matthias, you would know as well, right? If you have built one before. Oh, you didn't.
Mine worked very well.
Yours worked very well. How many rooms did you have?
It was like one big room, but there were a lot of bulbs and switches.
Okay, was it series or parallel? Parallel circuit. Okay, because hers involved different rooms. So the way she joined the wires, where she placed the wires also matters. Okay, and hers is like 2-story, you know. It's not like just one room and then you can connect easily in parallel. It was a lot easier when it's just one room. So Matthias, if you feel confident enough, you can actually try to build more rooms and then a few levels. Then you will understand it was really challenging. Okay, so I was so surprised that she wanted to do something like that. I'm very impressed. Thank you so much, Yunshen. Okay, so yes, Yunshen, congratulations. You're also getting a pop-it. For sure, you're getting a pop-it. Okay, that's a major, major project. But other than pop-it, I'll be giving you another gift, right? Okay, which you will not see. Okay, only the pop-it is one that you will see. There'll be additional gift along in the envelope being sent to your letterbox. Hello, Giselle, you're here. Did you manage to do your toy? Very good. Okay, so Giselle Yunshen just presented her house with 4 rooms. Okay, so the next person to go to do the presentation will be, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it first. Okay, so after that, don't worry. After that, we'll have Gordon and then Kendrick. Is it okay? So Giselle first, followed by Gordon and then Kendrick. Okay, Giselle, do you have a PowerPoint to show or don't have?
Yes, I do.
You do? Good. Okay. You can share screen now.
How to share screen?
Okay. How to share screen? Do you see at the bottom of the Zoom, you have many tabs, right? One is the mute button, the other one is the stop video button, then you have the security button, and next one is share screen. You just need to click on the share screen, but you need to open up your PowerPoint first. Are you able to do it?
No, I don't see.
You don't see, okay. Oh, your mom is there helping you?
Oh, share screen, I saw already.
Yeah. Okay, Yunshen, you can have the purple one. Wow, nice. Okay, so let's hear from Giselle.
Hello everyone. My name is Giselle, and I'm going to be sharing my presentation. My toy is a mini traffic light. It's actually made by using the topic electricity and then by creativity. And then the materials I used were LED lights that I found from home somewhere. Like I used to play with them. And then I also bought wires, and then I don't know why is this loops through the this one over here. And then I also found wooden blocks at home, and then my father used his like screwdriver to make holes so that I can attach all the wooden blocks together.
Mhm.
And then after that, I also found battery holders, and then with batteries, and then I also have screws to attach them together. I also found ice cream sticks at home, and then I also used double-sided tape to stick the battery holder and the ice cream sticks together with the base of the traffic light.
Mhm.
And I went to Shopee to find crocodile clip,
Right.
and then yeah, so it's basically like this. It's like this, and then after that, I use this crocodile clip, and then I touch here, and then it's supposed to have like
You're a little bit soft. Yeah.
it's supposed to
Yes.
it's supposed to be like this.
Wow. Okay, nice.
Like this one is red color, and then this one yellow, and then this one is the green one at the back.
So you can change color, is it?
Yes.
Very good. Very interesting, Giselle. I would like you to take a picture a close-up picture of your toy. Then you